Hello. Hey, continuing the little talk here on common proper nouns. If you want to open up your textbooks, pages 62 and 63, that's really where it talks about that in your English books. First a little bit here, just to really truly define what each one, a common person, place, or thing. It does not start with the capital letter, again, unless it's the beginning of a sentence or at the beginning of a sentence. A proper noun names a specific person, place, or thing, and it does start with the capital letter. You're going to hear the word a special place, person, place, or thing. I like the word specific because, again, you might have a lot of different teachers, but to use my name, Mr. Poggle, you're mentioning a specific teacher. Kind of narrowing it down, so to speak. Here's another good example. We talked a lot about these here. All common nouns because there's lots of mountains. I know only a few oceans, but there's few. 50 states, but they're still common, so to speak. And buildings, so on and so forth. But if you're a specific building, the Empire State Building, that's a proper noun because it's a specific building. Please also notice what I like about this is that proper nouns can be one word, like Australia, or they can be made up of three words, like Empire State Building. That's still the name of one building, so it all has to be capitalized. You see that a lot, especially like in names, Walt Disney, Hugo, and things like that here. Here's another chart if it helps you out. Here's again where I use the word special. Proper noun is a special name. The names are particular or person, place, or thing. A lot of boys, but Roy is named a specific person, place, or excuse me, in this case, a person. Edentown, the name is a specific place. Sunset Palace, again, please note that it can be made up of two words, but that's a specific place. So therefore, it's a proper noun, which needs to be capitalized, as it says down here. Always with the capital letter for proper nouns. Here is something to kind of help you out. Now over here, these are all common. And basically what this is showing you is that when you name a specific school, a specific restaurant, a specific store, that you're naming a proper noun. Right? So if you ask, what's your favorite school? I know all of you are going to say Peridot-Our Savior's Lutheran School. It would need to be capitalized here because you name a specific school. What's your favorite restaurant? This is common because there's hundreds of restaurants. If you name a specific one here, Taco Bell, McDonald's, Charlo's, then you need it capitalized, so on and so forth. So that's a good exercise, I've thought, to really help you understand the difference between common and proper. All right, what's your favorite store? There's all kinds of stores. If you name a specific store, Walmart, Fry's, that's narrowing it down. That's naming a specific store, so you capitalize it because it's a proper noun. Here again is noticing the difference between the two, common or proper nouns. Here is bread. You can tell that it is capitalized. Yes, it is the beginning of a sentence, so it's capitalized. But it's also proper noun because it names a specific person. Bradley loves to do math facts. Now, facts is a noun, but it's a common noun, which is why it's lowercase. Right? Here's another common noun that CN stands for. The dog likes to play fetch. In this case, a dog is a noun. It's a thing. It's lowercase. Same with this. A cat ran up the tree. Focus on the cat. There's 100 different cats. Therefore, it's lowercase because it's a common noun. Mrs. Lee teaches at Bennett Elementary. Now we're talking about PN, proper nouns, because Mrs. Lee is a specific teacher and Bennett Elementary is a specific school. This here, guys, is what it's going to be. This is really helping you understand if it's the difference between common and proper nouns. In a sentence, a noun is going to be underlined. I promise you it'll always be a noun. You need to label it, whether it's common or proper. Here's your exact sentence. I'm sorry, when it scanned, it kind of got a little crooked there. I apologize. But let's go through the example here. The Wong family lives in. Now, Texas is the underlined word, and that's a specific state, and it's capitalized, so it's proper. Now, number one, Larry Wong likes to go to new places. Places underlined, that's a noun. You got to figure out if it's common or proper. And probably because it's lowercase, that's going to help you decide that that is indeed a common noun. You guys do have 15 of these. They're in your homework packet. I wish you Lord's blessings as you praise your Savior. Let me know if you need any help.